Hey, what's up, y'all? This is West Coast chopper, Beracuda. I don't know what year they made this, but it doesn't have the battery pack. Doesn't have the controller on it. I don't know how many of y'all remember these, but it has the where you put the little fuel in and it kicks out smoke. Speaker where it talks. This thing got like about 5-6 motors in it. You know, got lights in it, tail lights, headlights. Don't know if it had turn signals or what. But this is the Beracuda. You can see the WCC right there on the door. West Coast chopper. I don't know if this thing's worth anything. If anybody would be interested in buying it, I'm just trying to find out what's going on before I tear it up. Yeah, you can see it hasn't been taken care of, but it's still what it is, you know. The Cuda, Beracuda. Like I said, it's not in the best condition, but it's not that bad. I was gonna put a battery pack on it, but like I said, I don't have no remote for it. So if anybody knows anything about this, there's the screws for it and the masking tape to screw it back down. I guess it ran with the 9.6 volt battery. And that's where you put the little oil in it, I guess, to get it to smoke. You know, if anybody could give me any information, let me know if this car is worth anything, I'd appreciate it. Because if not, well, you know, somebody might want to give me something for it. I don't know. It might be better than me tearing it up. And some of you guys out there, I know you're into this more than what I do. So anyway, y'all could hit me up. Name's Andre Mangram, Dre One Only, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.